Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Chase Freedom Flex credit card and the Chase Slate Edge credit card. These two cards are built for completely different types of users. One is designed to earn you money through rewards, while the other is built to save you money on interest and debt. So in this video, I'll be breaking down everything you need to know, from the features to the pricing, the pros and cons, and most importantly, which one is actually worth it for you. Let's get started. The Chase Freedom Flex is what I'll call a high-value everyday rewards card. It's perfect for people who want to earn cash back on their spending, especially if you're strategic with categories like groceries, dining, or travel. The Slate Edge credit card is a completely different beast. This card is not about rewards at all. Instead, it's focused on helping you. It helps you pay off existing credit card debt, it helps you avoid interest for a long period, and it helps improve your credit habits over time. One of its biggest selling points is its long 0% introductory APR period, which can go up to 18 months on purchases and balance transfers. Meanwhile, the Freedom Flex also offers a 0% introductory APR, but only for about 15 months, and its main focus is still on rewards. So right away you can see the difference. Freedom Flex helps you earn more. Slate Edge helps you pay less interest. Now let us compare the main features to see how both rank. In terms of Freedom Flex, this one is packed with features. With Freedom Flex, you get 5% cash back on rotating quarterly categories, up to a spending cap definitely. You also get 5% on travel booked through Chase Rewards portal. You get 3% on dining and drug stores and 1% on all other purchases. It usually comes with a welcome bonus, which is around $200 after meeting a small requirement, yes, when you spend up to $500 on purchases in the first 3 months of account opening. And beyond rewards, you also get other things like purchase protection, extended warranty, and travel-related benefits. So this is clearly a long-term value card. Now let us talk about the Chase Slate Edge credit card. The card is much simpler, but very intentional. You have 0% APR for a long period of up to 18 months on purchases and balance transfers. There is no annual fee. There's automatic credit limit review after 6 months and a potential APR reduction over time if you make on-time payments. But here's the catch. This card does not earn rewards. That's a huge trade-off. This card is purely about debt management, credit improvement, and lower interest costs. Now let us talk about the pricing. For the Chase Freedom Flex, it has a $0 annual fee, so which means you pay nothing annually, a 0% introductory APR for 15 months from account opening, and eventually a variable APR of 18.24 to 27.74% applies. And with the Chase Slate Edge, $0 annual fee, 0% introductory APR for up to 18 months, which is an extended period of time, and then an APR variable of 28.99% applies, and also balance transfer fees apply. Now, what are the pros and cons of using these cards? We'll start with the pros. For the Freedom Flex, there's a high cashback potential of up to 5%, strong bonus categories, and a welcome bonus available. It's great for long-term value. And the pros of Slate Edge: it has a long 0% introductory APR period, it is great for balance transfers, and it helps build and improve credits. How about the cons? For the Freedom Flex, the rotating categories require activation, and the APR period is shorter. Then the cons of Slate Edge: there are no rewards, and balance transfer fees apply. So, which is better? Well, here's a balanced verdict. The Chase Freedom Flex is a card that you keep for years. On the other hand, the Chase Slate Edge is more of a temporary financial tool. So in a way, these two cards don't really compete. They actually serve different stages of your financial journey. And that's it on the comparison of Chase Freedom Flex and the Chase Slate Edge credit card. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card, City Double Cash card, and Discover It Cashback credit card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.